Are you looking for an online carpentry course to learn how to work with wood? Then you need to know Ted's Woodwork, a course created by Ted Heuer, a professional carpenter with over 30 years of experience. But first of all, I ask you to stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to talk to you. It is important to be aware of frauds and scams related to this product. To ensure your safety when buying Ted's Woodwork, I left in the description of this video the official link where you can take advantage of a special offer from the producer. Remember that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do about the product. In this video, we will talk about the Ted's Woodwork course, its benefits, and whether it is the best option for you. What is it? Woodworking is an art and craft that can be practiced by people of all ages and levels of experience. It's a great way to express your creativity and create useful and decorative objects. However, learning to work with wood can be challenging. It is necessary to have knowledge of the right tools and techniques to avoid accidents and ensure a quality finish. What is Ted's Woodwork? Ted's Woodwork is an online woodworking course that teaches the fundamentals of woodworking art. The course is divided into modules covering a wide range of topics including safety, learn the basic safety rules for working with wood. Tools, know the basic joinery tools and how to use them. Techniques, learn the basic techniques of woodworking, such as cutting, gluing and finishing. Projects, build simple and advanced projects. Benefits. Ted's Woodwork offers a number of benefits, including learn from a professional. Ted Heuer is a professional joiner with over 30 years of experience. He shares his knowledge and techniques with you on the course. Learn at your own pace. The course is online, which means you can study at your own pace. Access to resources. The course includes a library of resources, including videos, tutorials, and articles. How does Ted's Woodwork work? Ted's Woodwork is an online course that can be accessed by computer, tablet, or smartphone. The course is divided into modules that can be studied in order or in any order. Each module includes videos, tutorials, and articles to help you learn the concepts and techniques presented. You can also ask questions in the course forum to get help from other students or from Ted Heuer himself. Is Ted's Woodwork safe? Ted's Woodwork is a safe course. The course includes a section on safety that teaches the basic rules for working with wood. Conclusion. Ted's Woodwork is a complete and comprehensive course that can help you learn the fundamentals of the art of woodworking. The course is a great option for those who want to learn how to work with wood safely and effectively. And if you want to know more about the supplement Ted's Woodwork and want to check closely, the information will be leaving the link in the description for more information. Be sure to visit the site for free. I'm sure it will help you clarify many doubts.